in 2021. My wife and I were fortunate enough to have our first kid. Pregnancy went okay, but unfortunately, our daughter was born very sick. Our daughter was born with two different rare diseases that had no dedicated treatment. The biology was actually well understood, but there were no medicines available or even in development at the time. Both my wife and I, being scientists, were really taken aback by that situation and surprised by the scenario where why do we have diseases that we understand have no treatment, especially when we have so many tools in our toolkit for attacking them. And it actually became a bit of an obsession for me to figure this problem out. Ultimately, the insight that I had was that the challenge wasn't finding a potential drug, but rather funding it. I had to go work on this new problem. The Ignite team leadership were very supportive. There actually are now angel investors in Vibe as well. And so about a year and change ago, I started Vibe Bio. Vibe is essentially an AI-driven investment platform focused on biotech, where when you start to look at the broader space of biotech, there is so much potential in the science and the medicines that are sitting either on a shelf or within a biotech company. But oftentimes the challenge is rallying the capital required to advance those medicines to a critical inflection point and to the next stage of development. What we're building is AngelList, but specifically for the biotech sector, where we're able to combine both AI-based tools and expertise to rapidly evaluate and diligence the different biotech drugs and programs, and then enable a much broader pool of decentralized investors, from angels to family offices to hedge funds to VCs, to then invest in those biotech companies with greater confidence around which have the highest potential.